In this video, I want to show you where to get promo codes for Dillards. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and now once you're inside Google, type in promo codes for Dillards, and then click search. And now I'm inside the Google search results here, and you can see a few large third-party sites offering different promo codes. So we got Coupon Follow 30% off, Real Tell Me Not 65% off, We Thrift It. So these are the big players in the coupon industry, promo industry. So you can click on any one of these sites to get different promo codes, but the one I like to use is Coupon Follow. So I'm going to jump into Coupon Follow's website here, and then if I scroll down, you can see different offerings from Coupon Follow, and these change daily as well, by the way. So come back daily or weekly to check out their different deals. So as you can see, you got 30% off with their purchase, 20% off all items, 20, 40, 50%, etc. So, and you can even see the expired offers and deals that they have had in the past, so you can get a sense of what they offer or what they can offer down the track. So the demonstration purposes, if I want to activate this 30% off, simply click into it, copy this code, and now paste this code at the checkout section of Dillard's to enjoy your 30% off your purchase.